to another video. In this video, I'm going to explain in depth 3 commands that will enrich your building experience. Let's start off the video. The first command we're going to check out is /fill. So how you're going to do this is you're going to need 2 coordinates. Just to simplify it for now, I'm going to use the tildes or whatever they're called. So I'm going to do it from, by the way, this 3 tildes or tilde, whatever, I'm just going to call them tilde. These things, this means where you are right now. So if I were to do a second set of these, but instead I'm going to do plus, or I don't need to do that. I'm just going to write 5, this again, 5, this again, and then 5. Then that's going to make a 5 by 5 by 5 cube. Now I'm going to select the material. So I'm just going to do acacia planks because it's a decent material. So then I'm gonna enter and see, it's like this. But this is when it gets crazy because there is a limit, sadly, to /fill. But with my experience, at least, I've had best luck with 30 by 30 by 30. But this is simply crazy how big it is. Oh, look, it doesn't look that big. Holy smokes. Yeah, it's pretty big. Yeah, so this can definitely be useful. But if you want to hollow out an area and make it so that, like, it's just air, you can do exactly that and type in air. Then watch this. Everything's just disappeared. It's also great for landscaping. If I go over here, do it, like, let's go underground a bit. Now let's do it here. Look at how big that is. That is very useful. I would highly recommend using this for building. But also, there's a small other thing that is extremely useful for building houses and buildings. If you do this, but let's do acacia planks again, and you can do hollow. What this does is exactly that. It makes it hollow. So, once you go in here, it's completely hollow, and you can do stuff in here. So that's very, very useful for building. The next command we're going to look at is /setBlock. This command is extremely useful for setting blocks in the air because you don't need to be on the ground. Have you been so frustrated one time because you've just had to build up to where you want to be? Well, not with /setBlock. Watch this. I'm going to do acacia planks because it's an easy block. And look, it sets it to where I am. You can also replace the squiggly things. I'm just going to call that because I had trouble saying it. So you can replace those with coordinates and it will place it there. So that's pretty useful. But if I do /setBlock, up here, you'll see it does that. And this is really useful if you want to make a platform in the air instead of having to go into your inventory, grab the material, build all the way up here. You can just fly up here, type in this command, and then boom, you're done. The third command that we're going to look at today is /clear. Are you just so tired of having to remove everything from your inventory just so much? Like, your inventory is full all the time and you have to remove everything all the time. Well, not with /clear. If I were to fill my inventory completely, so yeah, if I were to do this and now my inventory is full with acacia planks, watch how easy it is. Instead of having to do, you can just do /clear and watch this. Everything's gone. This is one of my most used commands, definitely, if I'm building. So I would highly recommend using it. And yeah, hope this video helped out. Hope you can use this in your builds. And yeah, have a nice rest of your day. And do not forget to like and subscribe if this helped out. And yeah, bye!